Good morning, student. In last lecture, I already explained about electric cell and dry cell, their working, construction, electric main, etc. We are able to produce the electricity by using solar cell also, and flow of wind and flow of water. And we already done in text question 1 filling the blanks. Now in this lecture we have to discuss about electric circuit diagram. For flow of the current in the circuit, following things are required. Yes, following things are required. Yes, a closed path for flow of current. See there, but a closed path of flow of current, closed is there. Okay, we have to use different symbol for different, like cell, battery, connecting wire, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer. So we have to discuss one by one. A closed path for the flow of current. We want one closed path. If circuit is open, the current not a flow. Yes, a source of electricity. We want one source of electricity, maybe battery, maybe cell. Okay, maybe cell, maybe battery, that produce required potential difference. I already explained about the potential difference. Positive, negative is required to flow the current in one direction, to flow the charge in one direction. Yes, a circuit diagram is a symbolic represent of all devices. We have to represent in the symbol form. Then it is very easy to draw the circuit diagram. Connecting wires, key, source, or maybe measuring instrument. These all are required. In circuit diagram, one we require battery, one key, you can say that button. They may be in the off position or maybe in the on position, maybe bulb, maybe if you want to measure the potential difference, we use the voltmeter measuring instrument. If we measure the current in a high current is there, so we have to use the ammeter. And when you want to measure the very small current is there, galvanometer we have to use. Like to measure the speed, we use speedometer, like this. This is the symbol of cell, one positive and one negative. When you connect two or more cells together, that is from the battery. This is the symbol, main symbol, line only for the connecting wire. This is ammeter symbol, voltmeter. This is symbol of the galvanometer. Yes, and this is the symbol of the open key. Open key is there. Here no connection between wire is there. That is the open key. Means switch in off position. In this switch in closed position. When you put dot, without dot open circuit, with the like dot is a closed switch. This is the symbol of electric bulb. So two things are required. Circuit should be closed, and the second thing we want the source to create the potential difference. Then only charge flow. I already explained that the charge flow in positive to negative direction, that is a conventional current, and reverse direction where the electron flow, that is for electric current or real current, you can say that. Yes, now we have to see the circuit diagram. For example, see in this circuit diagram we use the battery, one bulb, one battery. This is the wire, and this one is the key. When key is open only, closed only, then current started flowing and bulb started glowing. So now we have to see the two type of circuit is there. One is a closed circuit, one is a open circuit. So electric current only flow through the closed circuit. When circuit is open, electric current not flow. So we have to do first activity. In first activity, here you see the circuit is closed, so bulb glow. But here we see the open circuit is there, bulb fuse is there. For example, open circuit, no connection here. The tungsten wire is in the bulb, maybe remove, maybe not work properly. So bulb is a fuse only. Open circuit is there, bulb not glow. So this thing show that only closed circuit the current flow, in open circuit current not a flow. Now our next topic is conductor and insulator. On the base of this we have to do one more activity. So how we know which one is a conductor, which one is a non-conductor? You can say that insulator. We have to classify the different material, conductor or insulator. Yes, first of all we have to see the conductor. Yes, conductor is that what in which allow the flow of current, which allow the flow of current. For example, the conductor is that which have the free electrons, loosely bound electrons. For example, this is the copper wire. Example, copper, aluminium, all the metal, silver, which are the good conductor, impure water. Okay. So now this is the copper wire. Here you apply positive, negative voltage, potential difference. So here atoms are there. Atoms, electrons are loosely bound. When you apply the current, negative move towards positive and positive move towards negative. Because electron is loosely bound, free electron. Metals easily lose the electron, you know. That's why it is a conductor. Insulator is that which bond, like a non-metal, which bond electron only, not lose the electron easily, which not allowed to flow the current, like rubber, plastic, and wood. So we have to see the examples. The different examples are there. Yes, conductor, silver, copper, lead, aluminium, impure water. The table is there. You have to revise 7.1 table on the page number 101. Gold, iron, living plant, nichrome wire, tungsten, graphite, mercury, and insulator, plastic, wood, glass, nylon, cotton, cork, rubber, pure water, paper, dry air, diamond, and leather. Diamond and leather. So these are the example of conductor and non-conductor or insulator. So we have to perform one activity to know about which one is an insulator, which one is a conductor. Circuit diagram of that one. See there. Here you take one bulb. Here key you take. And here you put one space between them, one box is there, on which different materials you have to connect. For example, when you connect a copper wire, then current flow, bulb glow. Yes. When you put a wood, piece of wood, non-conductor, so bulb not glow. Plastic, bulb not glow. Any metal thing, bulb glow. Okay. And non-conductor, bulb not glow. The pencil which sharpen from the both of end. Graphite is there in pencil, so bulbs glow. So this is a way, second activity, this is a way to know about which thing is a conductor, which thing is not a conductor. Yes, now this much we have to do in this lecture. In next lecture we have to do household electricity and connections, different type of wire, live wire, neutral wire, and earthing wire. So in next lecture we have to discuss the household